In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to Figma Make. By the end, you'll have your Figma Make project securely linked to Supabase so you can streamline data-powered prototyping without leaving your design workflow. Let's begin inside Figma Make. Open the prototype you want to work with so everything is ready on screen. In the top right corner, click the settings gear icon to open your project settings panel. From there, choose the general section. This is where you'll find options that apply across your project, including integrations. Within general, locate the integrations area. You'll see a list of services you can connect to Figma Make. Find Supabase and select it to open the integration details. Now click Connect Supabase. This action hands off to your web browser to complete a secure authorization flow between Figma Make and Supabase. Before you proceed, make sure you're already signed in to your Supabase account in the same browser. Being signed in ahead of time prevents interruptions and helps the authorization complete smoothly. If your session is active, you'll land right on the authorization screen. Click Authorize Figma to grant Figma. Make permission to access your Supabase resources on your behalf. This permission is limited to what's needed for the integration and keeps your sensitive credentials private. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the organization you want to connect. Select the organization that owns the databases or projects you plan to use with this prototype. Choosing the correct organization now helps avoid any access mismatches later. After making your selection, confirm by clicking Authorize Figma again to finalize the approval. Return to Figma Make, where you'll see a confirmation prompt waiting. Click Connect to complete the link on the Figma side. When everything succeeds, you'll see that Supabase shows as connected. That status indicates the bridge between Figma Make and your chosen Supabase organization is active. If something doesn't appear, double check that you have the right permissions in both Figma Make and your Supabase organization, and ensure your browser isn't blocking the authorization window. Keeping the same browser session for both apps is a simple way to avoid most sign-in hiccups. That's all there is to it. You've connected Supabase to Figma Make, setting the stage for smoother data-aware prototyping and a more integrated design-to-data workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy building.